There's something most men never realize about attraction, and once you understand it, the way you approach relationships will completely change. This isn't about tricks, games, or emotional manipulation. It's about becoming the kind of man whose presence naturally pulls people in, calmly, quietly, without forcing anything. And yes, when done right, women don't just notice you. They value you. They choose you. But before we go further, let's be real. Anything powerful can be misused. Emotional intelligence isn't a weapon. It's a responsibility. The goal isn't to control anyone or make them dependent on you. Instead, it's to develop the kind of grounded presence that inspires connection without chasing validation. If you're ready to step into that level of maturity, then stay with me. Most guys try to win attraction through effort, compliments, attention, money, image. But attraction doesn't respond to effort. Attraction responds to who you are when you stop trying to impress anyone. When a man becomes internally anchored, steady, self-directed, emotionally aware, he shifts from seeking approval to living with purpose. And that shift changes everything. Because here's the truth most men miss. Women don't chase men who try to be impressive. They are drawn to men who are already fulfilled, already grounded, already whole. Not because he makes her feel obsessed, but because being around him feels safe, inspiring, real. Psychology calls this secure emotional presence, a state where a man is calm in his own skin. No neediness, no panic, no pressure. Just grounded authenticity. That energy creates curiosity. It creates respect. And sometimes, it creates attraction. So how do you develop that presence? It begins with self-awareness. Every person walks through life carrying emotional needs, validation, excitement, relief from stress, growth, meaning. But unlike the manipulative approach of filling her void so she depends on you, the Stoic approach is different. You don't try to become her emotional oxygen. You simply become a man who already meets his own needs and invites someone into that stability. When you don't chase attention, validation becomes meaningful. When you have purpose, your life already contains excitement. When you manage your stress, your presence becomes calming. When you hold standards, you naturally become a challenge without pretending to be one. That's the difference between attraction and control. Most men operate from scarcity. They fear losing her. They fear being ignored. They fear not being chosen. And fear always leads to chasing. But a grounded man accepts reality. If she stays, great. If she leaves, also fine. His value remains untouched. Women don't become attracted because you pressure them emotionally. They become attracted because being around you makes their life better. Not smaller, not dependent, not obsessive, simply better. So instead of asking, how do I make her obsessed? Ask this instead. How do I become a man I respect, regardless of who stays or goes? Listen closely when she talks, not to gather leverage, but to understand her world. Notice what excites her, what inspires her, what helps her grow. Support her without losing yourself. Stay calm when emotions rise. Speak honestly. Hold boundaries. Say no when needed. Mean what you say. Challenge doesn't come from playing hard to get. It comes from not abandoning yourself. Mystery doesn't come from manipulation. It comes from depth. And attraction doesn't come from control. It comes from presence. Women don't chase men who make them insecure. They chase men who make them feel safe enough to be real. And here's the paradox. The more grounded and internally fulfilled you become, the less you'll even think about making someone chase you, because your life will already feel full. And that's when people naturally move toward you. So if you want to step into that kind of energy, start with yourself. Build discipline. Strengthen your mind. Cultivate emotional control. Live with purpose. Practice calm confidence. That's the core of Stoic masculinity. And if this perspective gave you something to think about, stay with us here at Stoic Pro. We're not here to teach games. We're here to teach men how to become grounded, wise, steady, and deeply respected from the inside out. Until next time, keep your standards high, your emotions steady, and your purpose clear.